Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check current location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to check current location in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, you'll be on this kind of interface. Now, if your location is not shown to you like this, if you're somewhere else on the map like this, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see this icon where I'm tapping, the circle icon, which is also the GPS icon. Just above the direction icon with the blue button, you can see the circle icon over here. Tap on it and your current location will be shown to you like this. Wherever you are, guys, simply if you tap on that location like this, that location will be shown to you easily, and you'll be able to check your current location in Google Maps. And guys, this is how to check current location in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.